Welcome to the Gyan online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss English textbook chapter 9 exercise. And chapter name is A Birthday Surprise for Mama. Okay. So first you know about this chapter. Okay. I already told you all the story about a birthday surprise for mama. Okay. So today we discuss some question answer. Okay. So first you open your book, page number 72, chapter 9, and open your English copy also. Okay. Then you write all the numbers positively and write on blackboard near some question answer. Then you write all the numbers. Okay. So first we do mark this sentence as right or wrong. Okay. So be ready for write all the numbers. Okay, dear student, see the blackboard properly. Write all the numbers positively here. Okay. Mark this sentence as right or wrong. Okay. So here is some sentence. So you have to mark this sentence. If right, then you have to tick right mark. If wrong, you have to tick wrong. Okay. So first number, Alia woke up late. Alia woke up late. Is it right or wrong? Just you remember. I am already told this number next time. So we have to remember and give the answer. Which is what is the answer? Right or wrong? Alias woke up late. So this one what? Wrong. Alia woke up earlier. Okay? यानी कि वो जल्दी उठी है, ना कि लेट. Okay? So here we have to fill up wrong or plus. Then second number, Alia was searching for her papa's birthday cake. Is it right or wrong? Just remember and do the question. Okay? Alia was searching for her papa's birthday cake. So here using her, just keep your mind. And here the papas. So papa के final part आएगा क्या? No. और the sentence also not correct. So we have to what we think take right or wrong. So here we are using wrong. Okay. So cross. Then second number also completed. Alia was searching for her papa's birthday cake. Wrong. Alia was searching for her mama's birthday cake, not papa's birthday cake. Okay. So here you have to keep wrong. Then third number, Alia's papa was out for a meeting. Alia's papa was out for a meeting. Is it right or wrong? Yes. This is right. So you have to keep here right. 1, 2, 3 number we have completed. See the blackboard properly and do all the number, write all the number in your copy. Okay? Then you have to do another number 4, 5, 6. So see the blackboard properly. Okay? So dear student, then you have to do 4th number. Peanut butter was mama's favorite. Peanut butter is mama's favorite. Is it right? Peanut butter is mama's not a favorite. Here we have to be the wrong. Okay? The fourth number is completed. The fifth number, as she walked to mama's room, Alia became sad and sadder. Is it right? As she walked to mama's room, Alia became sad and sadder. This is also my friend. We have to keep here wrong mark. Okay? Is the wrong mark. Then sixth number, Alia's surprise was the best birthday surprise. Is it right? Yes. This is right. So you have to tick here. Okay. Alia's surprise was the best birthday surprise. first number, mark this sentence as right or wrong. You have to complete it. Okay. I hope you all are right in your copy. Okay. All the numbers positively. Then you have to do and this number fill in the blanks with these words. Okay. Page number 70. First number one. Page number 70. Then we have to fill in the blanks with these words. Okay, and see the blank. Okay. So dear student, here we have to solve fill in the blanks with these words. So here just you see the book. Okay. Here we have to just you see this one. Some words, yellow colors. Then you have to using in this small story. Okay, fill in the blanks with these words. On Papa's birthday, Alia and her mothers had brought him a birthday cake in peace. It was Mama's birthday. Today, Alia searched the kitchen. Searched the kitchen. Here, just two mamas said it was Mama's birthday today. Alia searched the kitchen but could not find a cake that she got an idea. Okay. Here we are using kitchen and here we are using idea. Okay. So here first number using peace. Peace, kitchen, idea. Then rest another number. Just see the level properly and write and solve the fill in the blanks with this word. Okay. So see the level. She took Mama's favorite apple butter and spread it on a bed of bread. She walked to Mama's room, singing the birthday song. It was the best birthday surprise. So here you have to see and put up the favorite here. Favorite, spread it, bed, walk, singing, or surprise. Then sentence is complete. So dear student, right place we have to write words. Then you have to all the story, small story is completed and sentence also completed. So you have to just keep in mind just using this good place or some of the place is right words. Here the right, spread, bed, singing, surprise. Just read again. See the level. She took favorite apple. She took Mama's favorite apple butter. Okay. Mama's favorite what? Apple butter. And spread it on a bed of spread. Bread. Okay. Bed में रखा हुआ bread उसको spread किया जाएगा. ठीक. She walked to Mama's room. Then finally, Alia walked to Mama's room. Who walked to Alia? Here, C. Using C. We have to using C. Walk to Mama's room, singing the birthday song. मामा की लोग जब चलते हुए बर्थडे जो सॉन्ग है उसको गाते हुए आलिया जाती है. It was the best birthday surprise. ये जो है सबसे अच्छा और बेहतर birthday surprise हम मिली. Okay, that sentence is completed. Our small story is completed. Okay, so let's you have to write in your copy, note it, new word. Okay, then you have to do understand. Okay, dear student, here are the two bread size, butter size. Okay, bread. So what is did alias is to make the bread and butter sentence. So you have to put your own mind. It's easy. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Just you have to do yourself. It's very easy, not very difficult. Okay. So you have to do it. Then count the pictures spread out in the world. Okay. Here we have to see some elephant. So how many elephants you have to count and write here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you have to write here 13L. Then at the down, so birds is here. So how many birds? Just need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 birds. Then cupcakes. How many cupcakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 70 cupcakes is here. So you have to write here 70 cupcakes. Okay? 30, 70, 70. Okay? Just you count this one and write here. Okay? Do not paint or add the picture in your copy. Just you have to write here on your book 74 page. Count and write here. Okay? Then you have to do another number. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. It is what? So see the blackboard properly. We have to do all the number. Okay? So dear student, be ready for the next one. Okay? Okay, dear student, let's see the blackboard properly. Okay? We have to do. Look at the picture in the next page number 75. Okay? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. And fill in the blanks. Okay? With this word. Here are some words. We are using the correct place, correct word, this word. Then we have to do easily all the numbers. Okay? Here the party, candle, gift, balloons, streamers, caps. So in this picture I see, you have to see the picture. Here some birthday are celebrating. Okay? So first number, a big birthday. A big birthday. Here we will be using party. A big birthday party. Okay? Then two numbers. A big birthday party हुआ. Then two numbers colorful. Colorful. Candles. Candles and balloons. Colorful, color, candles and balloons. Then farmer, children, wedding, birthday cakes. Okay. So first number just use the blackboard. A big birthday party. Here we have to use this party. Okay. Then second number color, candles and balloons. Then third number children's wedding birthday caps on their heads. Then sentence is completed. Okay. Then we have to write another number. See the blackboard. It's very easy, not difficult. Do yourself also. If you know all the sentence correctly, then you do easily all the questions. Then fourth number, birthday cake with streamer on it. Here we are using streamer. STREAMER, streamers on it. Okay. Then fourth number also completed. Birthday cake with streamers on it. Then five number. Many gifts using gifts the words correct, the correct words when it is kept on the paper, on the paper. तो डियर स्टूडेंट आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं 1 से 5 तक हम लोग कर चुके हैं और जो सही वर्ड्स है सही प्लेस में हम लोग लिखे बर्थडे केक विद स्टीमर्स ऑन इट 5 नंबर many gifts kept from the table. Okay, so do yourself all the numbers in your copy, write all the numbers positively. It's very important for you. Okay, you have to write all the numbers, see the blackboard properly, and you another number. So let's see the blackboard properly, then you can do next number. Okay. Okay, serious में here the grammar section. These used to talk about two or more people or things near us. Okay. First you just write in your copy which place you have to using these or those. These is used to talk about two or more. Which place we have to using more people here, more people or things here. So here just to understand these, which place we have to using these used to talk about two or more people or things near us. यानी कि दो या दो से ज्यादा अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति रहते हैं या कोई सामान या चीज रहते हैं तो हमारे पास तो उसमें क्या लगेगा these. Okay, these is used to talk about two or more people or things near us. Okay, हमारे सामने दो या दो से अधिक या ज्यादा लोग या कोई भी चीज रहते हैं हमारे पास तो उसमें क्या लगेगा these. Okay, just you to clear, write down in your copy. Okay, then another number to write in your copy. Those is used to talk about two or more people or things that is using things that are far away. Okay, here the difference. Those is used to talk about two or more people or things that are away. Here those we have to those using two or more people. दो या दो से ज्यादा कोई भी व्यक्ति या कोई भी चीज रहता है वो भी दूर में रहता है तो उस सब जगह में क्या लगेगा दूर. ठीक है, उसी तरह से बीच जो दो से ज्यादा रहते हैं तो वहां पे वो भी हमारे पास में रहते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग बीच लगाएंगे. दूर में रहते हैं दूर लगाएंगे, पास में रहते हैं बीच लगाएंगे, दूर में रहते हैं कोई भी पीपल या कोई भी व्यक्ति या कोई भी चीज सेंस. ओके, नियर अस या फार अवे यानी कि हमारे से दूर रहेंगे तो दूर और हमारे से सामने रहेंगे तो बीच. ओके, जस्ट टू क्लियर कीप सेट योर माइंड एंड राइट दिस वन we will write and other question answer let's see the diagram. Okay, don't skip about our camera. So just write all the numbers properly here. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks with these or those. We have been using these and those. Here, what we using? These or those. Just keep your mind, set your mind. Okay, which place we have been using? These or those. Okay. So first what you have to do? If you make, did you make this switch, not one switch, many switches there. So we are using this. Did you make this switch that we are eating? That we are eating. Okay? Other question. So, here student first of all you have to see the blackboard properly. Why we are using these? Did you make these sweets that we are eating? Okay? Here we have to using these. Okay? Sweets. Sweets is nearby us and we have to make our own trend. So we have to using these. Okay? Then just in the blackboard. Here first number those. Second number we have to use those. These will stay. You if you go near that tree. Okay, so here just understand the sentence. Those bees will stay if you go near that tree. Okay, तो बीज जो है ऊपर का रहता है, ऊपर का जो बीज रहता है इसे हम लोग यहाँ पे दोष लगाए हैं. Those bees will stay मतलब डर सकता है कुछ भी आपका नुकसान पहुंचा सकती है. वो नियर दैट ट्री. आप अगर ट्री के पास अगर जाते हैं, पेड़ के पास जाते हैं तो आपको वो जो बीज हैं आपको नुकसान पहुंचा सकते हैं. क्यों यहाँ पे दोष लगाए हैं? क्योंकि बीज जो है वो ऊपर बढ़ रहे हैं. Bees are far away for us, यानी कि हमारे से दूर है. ओके, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पर यूज किए हैं those. Those bees will sting you if you go near that tree. Okay, then one number I do number completed. Then you have to do another number. See the page number 76. Okay, 76 page number you have to open here row. Then you have to do another number. Third number, less dogs by some candy. Okay, less by some candy. These. Here the way of using these voice. In line. So dear students, just to understand, let's pause by some candy with these currents in my pocket. यहाँ पे बीच में लगाए हैं क्योंकि मेरा पॉकेट सामने में है, बहुत सारे पॉकेट्स उसमें हैं. ओके, इसलिए हम लोग कैंडी जो है खड़े से. ओके, सामने है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, पॉकेट सामने ही रहता है. ठीक है, let's pause by some candy with these currents in my pocket. Okay, so we have to using here these. Okay, keep your mind. Then fourth number, those star is not near us, so we have to using those stars in the sky are so beautiful. Okay, then 5 number, those trees across the street are loaded with fruits. With okay. So the student just see the blackboard properly. Third number, just to know about let's start by some candy with these point in my pocket. We are using these one because point in my pocket point जो है मेरे pocket के अंदर में यानी ठीक है point जो है pocket के अंदर है और pocket जो है सामने है इसलिए हम लोग यूज करेंगे these. Then put those stars in the sky are so beautiful. Star जो है जो स्काई है बहुत ही सुंदर अच्छा है स्टार जो है हमसे दूर यानी कि वो आकाश में ठीक है आकाश में इसलिए हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे दूर बिकॉज ये हमसे दूर है ठीक और दूर जो है दूर रहने वाली चीज का हम लोग यूज करेंगे दूर ठीक है then five more those mango trees are across the street are loaded with fruits यहाँ पे भी मैंगो ट्री जो है हमसे दूर ठीक है those mango trees are across the street are loaded with fruits okay so here also we are using those so dear student 1 to 5 now you have to completed in your copy all the number write properly note it okay then you have to do and thus number let's see blackboard properly okay. Okay, dear student, here the read these words aloud. Note how the letters sound. Okay, we have to read words aloud. Circle, circus, cave, camel, care, point. Okay, just we have to do write the words where letter C sound same as the sun. So this is how the word number sound. ठीक है, उसके बाद सुन लीजिए. या फिर सन लिख सकते हैं ओके देन टू नंबर में हम जैसे राइट दिस वर्ड्स व्हेन लेटर इज सी साउंड सेम एज द के काइट माइट राइट okay this type of words we have to write in this only have to write three words 1 2 3 1 2 3 okay rest others are listening and speaking that is your word listen to the audio and number the sentence correct order okay just you have to read properly and listen audio properly then do yourself okay all the number you have to do yourself okay so first this number read these words loudly circle camel circle circus camel clear point and one more you have to write just for example you have to change the words also sun soon sun kite number 2 kite mine kite just like example for this blackboard you have to change the word write any other word also but only C words can are the sun. Right? The C letter sound as a K, is a kite, mine, right? Okay? This type of words you have to write all the numbers. Okay? And listening and speaking you do yourself. It's very easy, not very difficult. So you have to write firstly listen, audio carefully and write all about the listening and speaking department. Okay. Look at the picture and compare talking about how they are the difference from each other described in picture. Do not forget to talk about functions, color and pattern. Here the three boxes. Here the three boxes. 1, 2, 3. we have to talk about your friend and describe the picture which one is the best one, and last one will make a party card your mother on its left side, make you drawing of your choice, coloring on the right side, write a birthday message for your mother, dear mother, wishing you very grateful to you and very birthday for you. Then you write right side. Okay. Then our chapter is completed. Okay. I hope you all are enjoying the question answer and exercises. Today 9 chapter we have to do all the numbers properly. We have to see blackboard. All the numbers we have to do. Not any over numbers we have to do. Okay. And we have to help of your question answer department. Question answer we have to send in on your WhatsApp group also. You have to see a PDF file. Okay. All the subject not on only English textbook or not only English grammar. Okay. All the subject you have to see our WhatsApp group. We have to send in PDF file or the question answer. That's if any doubt, then you have to see that one also and is better for you. आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प कर सकता है, ठीक है? तो आप PDF फाइल भी कभी हेल्प लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? So nowadays your home is your school and you have to enjoy that place also. Okay? आप लोग वहाँ पे अपना जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वहाँ पे सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखकर और उसको दोहरा कर बार-बार रिपीट करके लिख सकते हैं. Your hard working is better for you and you have to success for your education. If you don't hard work, then you have to failure. So, which is one is the better for you, then keep your mind and just think. Okay, आप जो क्या करेंगे क्या नहीं करेंगे वो अपना खुद का डिसाइड करेंगे, ठीक है? लेकिन इस समय जो है आपका स्कूल ही आपका घर ही आपका स्कूल है इस समय, और सारे जो ऑनलाइन क्लास कर रहे हैं किया जा रहा है वो ध्यान से देखिए, और जो समझ नहीं आ रहा है या अपना PDF फाइल WhatsApp ग्रुप का PDF फाइल जो है क्वेश्चन आंसर का उसको देखिए, और फिर भी डाउट हो रहा है मेरे से कांटेक्ट कीजिए, ठीक है? मेरा कांटेक्ट नंबर दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? तो कांटेक्ट कीजिए, डाउट क्लियर कीजिए, लेकिन आप पढ़िए लिखिए घर में और हार्ड वर्किंग कीजिए, ना कि कहीं खेलना कूदना घूमना चाहिए, बिकॉज नाउ द डे इज वेरी डेंजरस फॉर our whole world is affected with corona. So stay home, save yourself, using mask anytime. If you go outside, then you have to using sanitizers, using mask. Okay, at least 20 seconds you have to wash your hand properly. Then is better for you, better for your family. Nowadays, day to day increases the coronavirus cases. So be safe, be aware for that one. Okay, and read properly, write properly, and do all the listening properly. Okay. So dear students, today we will complete chapter 9 English textbook, and I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. A small student a birthday surprise for Mama. So you have to keep your mind just you write the number, read properly, and do practice at least 2-3 times in your pocket. Okay, it's better for you. So today we will completed chapter 9. So thank you so much for seeing our video and subscribe our channel. If anyone's friend don't see our video channel or Gandhijam classes, so talk about and आप बोलिए उनको कि वो पढ़ेंगे और देखेंगे, ठीक है? और सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को, ठीक है? So today completed our chapter 9. So next class we have to discuss another chapter, another new chapter. So thank you very much for saying.